Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks for God, the best of life. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Latif, and Latif for short. Today, this time, I want to explain our application of matrix algebra in economy, created by Latif. So before we go to the main explanation, I have table of content list, and we can see there are three of content. There are general explanation, example of subject, and doing a test. You can doing a test, guys. We go to the general explanations. As usual, we should know how define definition of the subject. Before that, we know the system linear of variable like two or three variable using substitution and elimination for solving the problem. And we can use the cramer rule to get the all variable like x, y, and z together. So this is the advantage using this cramer rule. I want to go directly to the example of subject. As we see from the screen, we can see one example of subject. There is a system linear three variable equations. The next process is just we can remove all the variable and we get the five column to solve as the next progress. And the next process, we can divide it 7 with -2 and -5 as diagonal strike. And it will become, and we can get the result from the divided in diagonal. Something like this. 6 with 5 with -2 and 4 with 3 and 5 and -5 divided with -2 and 7. We can use this divided with -5 with 5 and 5. After we divided all, we can get the result when 60, positive 60 and 70. Minus 125, 126, and also 16. After we calculate the 70 plus 60 plus negative 60, we can get the result is 70. And after we calculate the 16 plus 126 plus minus 185, we can get the result is 17. And 70 minus 19 is 53. So before 53 is determinant. To get the determinant x, determinant y, and determinant z, we can calculate and change the constanta before like 0, 7, 0, 10, and -7 in the first column. We can calculate like equations or solving. We can fix it to dy, like we can move to the second column 0, 10, and 7 and 7. And we can get also in the x, dz, the third column like 0, 7, and min 0, 10, and min 7. After we divided the diagonal strike, we can get the result. The x equal 53, the y is -33, and the z is 32. the last progress is to get the truly result we can get x equal determinant x over d equal 53 over 53 is what, and y equal determinant y over d of equal minus 53 over 53 is minus 1. And the last, z equal determinant z over d equal 53 over 53 is 1. So the result is from system linear, three variable are 1, minus 1, and 1. So you can doing as that we give in the last slide. So guys, you can solving this problem. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you can understand what I explained to you. Thank you very much.